Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to this channel. I hope all of you will be healthy and be safe at home. First of all, I thank you wholeheartedly that all of you have given a lot of love and support to this channel. It's working as an inspiration for me. Stay tuned with this channel and like and share this video if you like it. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can avoid missing any new video. Dear children, in my previous video, I explained you about the rules that were going to be useful for us in this chapter. I try to make you practice through some questions related to this chapter. All of you do practice those questions on a copy. So let's get started. So as you all can see here in this question, this is being asked that write the absolute value of the following integers. So as we know what are integers, all the positive and negative including 0, all the numbers are integer, but that should be a whole number. Okay, so we want to find out the absolute value. So what is the absolute value? As I already informed you, when we remove the negative sign from any number, it will change the number into a absolute value. Means in absolute value all the numbers will be positive. So here plus 13, it is already positive, so the absolute value will be plus 13. So let's see how we can solve this. So here you can see that plus 13 is already a positive number, so we will change this into a 13 only. Minus 31, you can see it will convert into a positive 31. Plus 10 is already a positive number, so we will write only 10. Minus 42 is a negative number, we will convert into a 42. It means we will convert into a positive number. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number, so we will write it as 0 only. Here plus 16, you can see it is already positive number, so the absolute value of plus 16 will be 60. And here minus 17 is given, that is a negative number. We will convert this into a positive number. We will remove this negative sign and the absolute value will be 17, and 26 absolute value will be 26 only. There is no negative symbol, and here negative sign is given, so we will remove the negative sign and the absolute value of minus 21 will be plus 21. Now let us see the next number. So in this question this is being asked that find the value of each of the following. So here this symbol, you can see this symbol, these two lines are given. So these two lines are known as absolute symbol. Okay, so if any number is given inside these two lines, straight lines are given. So if any number is given inside these two lines, it means we have to convert this number into a absolute value. I hope now you have understood. Let us see the solution, how we will do this solution for this question. Now look at here. See the first part. So minus 12 is given and plus 12 is given. So we will convert this minus 12 into a absolute number. So it will be a 12, and this number we will copy as it is. So now after adding this, we will get plus 24. This is the answer. Here in the third part, minus 7 is given inside the absolute symbol. So we will convert this into an absolute value. It will be plus 7. After adding this, we will get plus 14. Now next, the question number 5 is given. We will write minus 16 into a positive number. This is the absolute value of minus 16. and this minus 6 we will write as it is, and after subtracting this we will write 10. So we will get 10 as a answer. Let us see the next 7th part. So here two numbers are given in a absolute symbol. So minus 5 will convert into a positive 5 and minus 17 will convert into plus 17, and this minus 10 we will copy as it is. So we will add these two numbers because both are positive number. We will convert it into a positive bigger number. So it will be 22. According to BODMAS, we will first solve plus and then we will solve minus. So first we will add these two numbers, it will be 22, and then minus 10 we will write as it is, and after subtracting this we will get 12. That is the answer. So here you all can see third question. So the first part we will solve. So in this question it is written, if plus 25 stands for a profit of 25 rupees, then what is the number that will show a loss of 10 rupees? Okay, so here profit is written. So we will consider profit as a positive sign and loss as a opposite sign. So what is the opposite of positive number? That is negative. So here let us see how we will solve this. So in this question, the same question is given here. So we will consider it. Because of loss, we will take it as an opposite sign. So it will be a negative 10. Now let us see the C part. If plus 10 stands for 10 step forward, so forward is representing plus sign, then what is the number that will represent 15 steps backward? As we know, forward and backward, these are opposite words. Like profit and loss, these are opposite. So if we are taking plus symbol for forward, then for backward we will take opposite sign, that is minus 15. So the answer will be, the number will represent 15 steps backward is minus 15. Let us see the next question. Question number 4. Okay, so in this question he is saying fill in the blanks with these symbols and all the numbers are given here. Okay, let us try to solve these type of questions. So here okay, all of you see the first part, plus 2 is greater than minus 2. So as we know that in the number line we will go to the left side, then we will get minus 2 from 0. 0 is the origin, 0 is the center point. So from 0 if we will go to the right side, we will get plus 2. Okay, and if we will go to the left side, we will get minus 2. So as we know, in the number line, if we will go to the right side, the number will be increased, and if we will go to the left side, the number will be decreased. Okay, so that is why we can say that every number which is coming to the right side of the 0 is a bigger number than the number situated on the left side of the 0. Okay, so here we will write this symbol. So we can say that my plus 2 is greater than minus 2, since minus 2 is coming on the left side of the 0, on the left side of the origin, and plus 2 is coming on the right side of the origin. Same we will see in the third part also. So in the third part you all can see that plus 7 and minus 15 is given. Both are having the same sign. So there is very easy method to find out in the counting which number is coming first, that is lesser number, and which number is coming later, that is a bigger number. So we can say that 15 is a bigger number. in the fifth part you can see minus 19 and minus 91 is given, but we will use this symbol. The mouth will open towards this number. Why? See, this mouth always open to the bigger number. See, plus 2 and minus 2, so this number is bigger, so mouth will open towards this side. Now here, why it is opening towards 19? Because if the negative numbers are there, then how much number is bigger in with the negative symbol, that will have a less value. Okay, so here you can see 91 is bigger number, but it is having so negative sign is there with it, so that is why it is having a less value than this. Okay, 19 is less number but with the negative sign, so we will, in comparatively we will see that minus 91 is the less number. Here you can see minus 4 and 0 is given. Okay, so 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number. Always 0 will be a bigger number if the negative number is there. Okay, so negative number is always a less number because it is situated towards the left side on the number line. ठीक है, तो जो भी नंबर लाइन पर लेफ्ट साइड में नंबर होते हैं वो हमेशा, जितना लेफ्ट साइड में नंबर होगा वो हमेशा उतना ही छोटा होगा, और जितना नंबर राइट साइड की तरफ जाएगा वो नंबर उतना ही बड़ा होगा. ठीक है, तो अभी in the fifth part you can see in the number line you can see suppose this is 0. If we will move to the left side, then we will see that we will get minus 19 first and minus 91 later. ठीक है, हम जब यहाँ पर चेक करते हैं तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे नंबर होंगे बीच में, तो माइनस 19 हमको पहले मिलेगा, माइनस 91 हमें बाद में मिलेगा, एंड वी हैव टू मूव टू द लेफ्ट साइड मोर टू गेट द माइनस 91. सो दैट इज वाई वी कैन से, इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि माइनस 91 लेस नंबर है. ओके, आई होप नाउ इट इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. सी इन द ninth part. Okay, so minus 40 is given and here plus 4 is given. As I already informed you, if we are comparing with the positive number and negative number, always the positive number will be the bigger number. Why? Because it is situated on the right side of the number line. Okay, we will always check from the center of number line, so we will always get the positive number towards the right side. Okay, so that is why we can say that plus 4 is greater than minus 40. So in the next part, plus 16 is given and minus 16 is given. Here you can see the small bracket is given, and this side the absolute bracket is given. So as we know, the value of absolute value of any number will be the positive number. So in place of this, we can say that the value of minus 16 will be plus 16 here. Absolute value of minus 16 is always 16, and here already given 16, so both the values are same. That is why we will use equals to symbol. This equals to sign will come because both the values are equal. Okay, I hope now this comparison you have understood nicely, and you can see the comparison in my first video also, chapter 1 part 1, that you can see